Hey, you guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's your girl Nini back at it with it, and today we're going to be doing my deep conditioner, my DIY deep conditioner that I do for my hair. I usually use mayonnaise and banana, but today I decided to use 2 avocados, 1 egg, coconut oil, and Jamaican Jamaican black castor oil. So as you can see, I'm just I cut up the avocados and I'm using this stick to mash it up. Honestly, I felt like I should have used a blender to blend it all up so it could be a lot smoother, because when I got done it was a lot of chunks. But I was just like, it is what it is, and I just went with it, and I went through with it, and I was just like, yeah, I definitely should have blended it. So you might want to blend this up when you're doing it so you can get that smooth consistency. Okay, so here's my hair, and I'm gonna be sectioning it. And I'm putting it on as if like I was putting on a relaxer. So that's what I basically did. You're gonna see throughout the video there's like chunks of the avocado falling out or something. It's simply because of me not blending it like I should have blended it. I've used avocado in my deep conditioner, like my DIY deep conditioner, but I never used like 2 avocados. I was thinking about adding mayo to this, but I was just like, no, I just wanted to see like what would happen if I just used the avocado by itself. But I was supposed to add bananas to it, but I forgot to grab bananas when I was filming. So what you want to do is section your hair like that, and you want to put it in your hair and just make sure that it is like in your hair. Like you want to make sure that it's just sitting and like soaking up all the good stuff in your hair. So I'm just kind of going through my hair and making sure that the avocado, making sure that the deep conditioner is all saturated throughout my hair. Now I'm gonna twist it up, and that's it. And then I parted the middle of my hair, and now I'm just putting some in the back. You guys, I'm not sure what type of hair I always say this hair texture I have. I want to say 4B and 4C, but I do see a little bit of 4A and maybe 3C in the back of my head and on the sides, but I don't know. I would have to actually do another video on my hair texture. But I do have low porosity hair, so I don't really like to mess with my hair like that. I kind of put it in something. Like that's why I'm always like, I always got a wig or I'm getting braids. So yeah. So I was deep conditioning my hair to prepare my hair for a hairstyle. I got soft locks, so y'all see my hair soon because I will be posting another video. And also I feel like I should do like a get to know me, like a new updated one. Maybe not right now, maybe later, but yes. want to keep sectioning your hair and applying the deep conditioner. All right, this is, well, second to last section. And at this point, I started to use my hands because I was getting tired. I was getting annoyed because I should have blended. Look at them waves now. Y'all, make sure y'all really blend it for real because it was a lot of mess. And it was a lot of mess. Like, all the chunks of avocado was just falling out, falling. Like, make sure you blend this so that everything could be smooth because I was a little upset now. I was upset because I was like, all this mess. Okay, I am done with everything. Wait, I got that little portion. But I'm about to be done with everything, and then I go in the shower and I rinse it out. Soon I'll have videos of how I wash my hair, like with me in the showers and stuff like that. So I got out the showers, and this is how my hair looks. One thing I noticed is that all my curls were out and popping. My hair was soft. What else? Yeah, my hair felt a lot more manageable. But I will do another deep conditioning tutorial with mayonnaise and like maybe bananas and something else. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you try this DIY, and thank you for watching. Bye.